Assalamualaikum. Pempek panggang siap santap ala Depurita Yudis. Wow, lemak nih. Pempeknya lembut, isi ebinya banyak, pedas dan manis. Luar biasa. Pastinya ala Depurita Yudis. Yang mau order silakan ya. Satu paket isi 10, harganya 100.000. Nih seperti ini pempek panggangnya ya. Nah ini ya pempeknya ya. Tuh lembut sekali. Isinya banyak ya. Tuh. Ayo yang mau order buruan ya. Hubungi Ita Yudis 0813 6770 2798. Tuh pempeknya lembut, isinya lemak nian.
Can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all